My name is Beth Drozda. I'm a filmmaker and makeup artist, and this is why I create. Suffering has played a huge part in my journey as an artist. It definitely dictates the tone of my stories. I know a lot of people in my life have asked me, did you have to end it on that note, or did this have to happen, And I was like, yeah, it had to, because I couldn't allow myself to do anything else, because it's what I know. And I believe that in order to recover or heal from some sort of suffering, you have to revisit it on your own terms, and you have to revisit it honestly. And so for me, it's been a huge part of healing from suffering that I've gone through. First, in looking at art that was honest and recognizing that that's how I felt, and sort of seeing the situation from a point of clarity. It's a situation you have control over. And so for me, it's healing to create art, because I do get to revisit the things that I've gone through on my own terms. It's cathartic in a way that's healing. It helps you to process those emotions without the adulteration or the confusion. And that way it helps you to move on from that and learn from it. My name is Beth Drozda, and this is why I create.